Hey everyone, welcome back to your favorite DIY restoration channel for classic and vintage two-wheelers. Today, we've got an absolute gem, a rare Gilera, possibly the only one in India. This beauty was brought back to life from a pile of parts between 2012 and 2014, and when it's running right, it's an absolute blast to ride. But after sitting in storage for 2 years, it's developed some starting issues.
Hi, this is Chandan here. We've been having some problems with the idling and starting with the Gilera. And the carburetor was serviced, the air filter was refitted, oil change changed, O-rings changed, but somehow it's not ticking. As this video is showing that you start the bike, it runs a little bit, you try to throttle it and it's so I decided to investigate the situation, and this is what I found.